Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So in this video I will show you how to change username of account in Windows 11. So first, as you can see, my current username is laptop. So in this video I will change this username. First I will log in my system. Now here click on this Windows icon, then click on this search box and type control, and you will see this option control panel. Click on it. Now here in the view by section, change it to small icons. After that, click on this option user accounts. Then click on this option change your account name. Now here you can see this is my current username. Okay, and now I will type a new username. So type the new username, then click on change name. That's it. As you can see, the name has been changed. Now if I check, so I will sign out, and now if I check here, you can see the username has been changed. So this is how you can change your username account in Windows 11. This is all for the video. Thank you.